So qualities, we have also discussed the qualities of good estimator yesterday. We have thoroughly discussed good estimator. Good estimator. There is sometimes competition. Yesterday or day before I have heard it was a competition in between the civil estimators. Who is good estimator? एक quiz घेतली होती. So what should be there? Who will be a good estimator? A well studied, well qualified, definitely well studied and well qualified estimator can be successfully and economically does the estimation, variety of estimation and estimation of atoms and quantities or schemes. He collects the present cost of atoms and schemes. His schemes become successful. So good estimator should have recent knowledge, recent technical knowledge, recent financial knowledge, even not only the financial, he must know about the various schemes. That is very important. Schemes. Under which scheme he is going to estimate, execute his project. There are certain subsidies. There are certain, what we can say, the provisions made for different parts of the society, or peoples of different classes of the society. Suppose you are going to estimate a project like MHADA, like CIDCO. You are going to develop buildings for residential purposes. So you must know the government schemes, where you are having the subsidy, where you are having the profit, what type of percentage of houses are reserved for which type of class. So what are different types of aids that is government is going to provide you. So until and unless you don't have this knowledge, what is type of supply that you can provide, what is the provision of power, what is provision of water, so basic resources, from where you can get this. So until and unless, what are the different types of permissions, especially the permission itself is the biggest work. If you want to develop a township or housing complex, buildings, many permissions required. You must have the knowledge of the act, rules, regulations and all, and then various government authorities and officials from where you can get the different types of permissions. That is needed. An estimator should have all such knowledge, not only the knowledge but updated knowledge, what we can say. An estimator should keep up to date knowledge. That is what it is said. Updated knowledge of prices, material. He should keep changing himself, means updating himself to the latest one, or you may have modified one. He must have maintained all this, not only the updating and maintaining himself, but entire staff, entire office, entire stakeholders of the particular your organization. You must have updated. The estimator should have thorough knowledge of practical experience regarding the estimation and costing. You must have, yesterday also I told you, you must have good experience. And for getting experience, sometimes you may not have the payment. So sometimes whenever you are having the initial situation that there is a teaching learning process, there is a learning process. In learning process you may not be paid, you may not having the stipend, you may not having the scholarship, you may have a very small salary package given, except those. because of this is your learning stage. This is teaching learning stage. So teaching we have finished, but learning stage. Basically, to learn about the work, that is a practical experience. You must have question in your mind always. Why? Why? Whenever you are observing anything, you must have in your mind why so. And if you try to find out the answers, not only from yourself, you go through the books, you go through the study materials, you go through the research, you go through the actual work, and then you go through discussing with your peoples or team, asking the person who have corrected these things, who is having the knowledge about the same. Don't hesitate to ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Always ask simple things if you don't know. And even if you don't have enough knowledge or enough, what we can say, the perfect idea, perfect meaning, perfect knowledge, perfect skill, if you don't have, adopt those. So, that thorough knowledge, that practical estimation, that is required. If you do this, if your approach is like this, then you will be a good estimator. Otherwise, why should I talk? I am engineer. I will not require talk. I know everything. Definitely will be losing the things. So, see what is difference. Especially this is entirely based on the mindset. You should change entire mindset. Your mindset must be changed. Estimator should have go to workplace from time to time and inspect. घरात बसून समजणार नाही आपल्याला. Visit the workplace multiple times, time to time, twice a day, thrice a day, daily, weekly, whatever, as per the requirement. Go through the site, inspect the things, understood the things. That is very important. Then you will go for the good. If you are estimate, you have enough knowledge, and if you are there, you are working there as a supervisor. See what it is estimated and check accordingly. Your project is going to be estimated as per the estimated design. Because of estimation includes design also. If it is working, if it is work is going on as per design, yes or no. Try to understand. An estimator should have good imagination power, good experimenting power. He must have some experiments in his mind. He must perform some experiment at his level. I told you, the estimator should do the estimation before calling the tender. Okay, so once the estimation is directly coming from the supplier, whether it is correct or whether it is wrong or whether somewhere you are going to mislead or going to fail indirectly, what I say, such type of information must not be there. So ask them, ask in your team, learn from the experienced persons. That is very important. Okay, so go to the work, inspect the work going on, see the project estimation, work accordingly, find out whether it is correct or wrong something. Estimator should have good imagination, I told you. He should have thorough knowledge of designs, updated knowledge of designs, privileged designs. So good estimator should always keep provision of future extension. You should not limit your things just for today. What would be after 10 years? What would be after 20 years? What would be after 25 years? At what particular your project, suppose you have executed project, what is life of your project? Whether the project will be there after 25 years, then you must have the imagination accordingly. A good estimator should always have keep provision of future expansion. That is very important. And divergence while estimating the project. Good divergence you should be able to do. So you must have the qualities like this. Essential elements we have already yesterday discussed. material specification, what are the essential elements, why we are going through this. This is entirely new for you. Though it is new for you, but without this you will not work out in the field. Most of the times we are learning machines, we are learning transformer, we are learning lamps, we are learning circuits. We know their operations on paper, we know we are able to write about their operations. But once we see the transformer, we get confused. We don't know where is the bushing. We don't know where is LT terminal. We don't know where is ST terminal. We don't know where is the winding provided. We don't know where is the oil field. प्रत्यक्ष आपण कागदावर सगळा अभ्यास केलेला आहे पुस्तकामध्ये, पण प्रत्यक्ष ट्रान्सफॉर्मर मी करेक्ट प्रत्यक्ष आपण बघितलं की आपली काय भंबेरी उडते आपल्याला माहिती आहे. आपण एकतर आता पर्टिक्युलर सिच्युएशन जर आपण बघितले, इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. ज्या गोष्टी आपण लॅबोरेटरीमध्ये किंवा आजूबाजूला किंवा व्हिजिटमध्ये बघू शकतो, यू आर नॉट इनफ लकी दॅट की ह्या कंडिशनमध्ये आज तुम्हाला तेही बघता येत नाही. म्हणून काहीतरी व्हिडिओ, काहीतरी ऑनलाईन आम्ही तुम्हाला दाखवतो, दॅट इज डिफरंट. किंवा आय हॅव सजेस्टेड टू अटेंड सम वर्कशॉप लाईक दिस व्हॉट वी हॅव स्टार्टेड, बिकॉज इट इज लिमिटेड एज ऑल. बट many times when you are having good theoretical knowledge, you should not get confused. So try to synchronize the thoughts, that what you have studied in theory and what is in actual practical you are observing, what you are seeing. So that must be only and only after the experience. म्हणून आपण तिथे एक knowledge, experience, and we have to work. Don't think of money. In initial case, don't think of money, don't think of salary. Go for experimenting and learning the things and get the experience more. So design experience, that is also very important. So estimator must know about the material, essential elements, what are they needed. नुसतं आपण घरात बसून असं ठरवू शकत नाहीये. Once you have seen the project, once you have visited the project, you will know what is requirement of the particular project while estimating and costing. ठीक आहे, 90% मटेरियल स्पेसिफिकेशन्स तुम्ही करू शकला पाहिजे. 10% immediately may not be there. आपण we are doing the provision of additional expenses. Price list we have seen, latest quality and cost, purchase procedure mechanism. Many times we don't know what is the purchase procedure, how to purchase the material, what is the procedure. नहीं का, quotation आहे का, tender आहे का, purchase, is there any purchase committee, is there any authority to take the approval first, what is financial approval, what is technical approval. So all this procedure you must know. Labor cost, what is labor cost, whether labors are available. If available, they are as per our requirement, means skilled, semi-skilled, whatever. So all terms, conditions of supply and material. Regarding financial, regarding payment, regarding the quality of material, collection of different types of catalogs related to price, related to another specifications, preparation of material schedules, that is also essential requirement, material schedule. Calculation of labor cost, material cost, that is also the element of estimation and costing. Availability of material, checking of material, whether it is available in market, yes or no. So all must be there, all these things must be there, all these elements you must thoroughly. आपण जो गुड एस्टिमेटर आहे त्याने हे उकळून पेलेलं पाहिजे. तरच त्याला एकदा प्रोजेक्ट सांगितलं की त्याच्या समोर हे सगळं उभं राहिलं पाहिजे चित्र. सो दॅट